Parallel structures. Parallel structure, also known as parallelism, is the repetition of a chosen grammatical form within a sentence. This technique improves readability and balance, making sentences easier to understand and more pleasant to read. It involves using the same pattern of words to show that two or more ideas have the same level of importance. We use the same structure in parallel structure with coordinate conjunctions. And, but, or. For example, the duties of the new secretary are to answer the telephone, to type letters, and to do the bookkeeping. There are students in the classroom and in front of the building. I am here because I have to be and because I want to be. The checks will be ready not at noon but at 1 o'clock. She is not a teacher but a lawyer. Mr. Brown likes to go home early, but his wife prefers to stay late. The papers are on my desk or in the drawer. I need to talk to the manager or the assistant manager. They are not interested in what you say or what you do. We use the same structure in parallel structure with paired conjunctions. Both, and. Either, or. Neither, nor. Not only, but also. She wants either to go by train or to go by plane. She wants to go either by train or by plane. She wants to go by either train or plane. We will either go to the beach or visit the mountains. Either Peter or Mary has the book. He not only sings beautifully but also plays the guitar well. She is not only talented but also hardworking. He is both a good friend and a great teacher. He is neither rich nor famous. Thank you for watching. See you next lessons.